Good Monday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brett Luna, and we're going to start things out this morning with a viewer photo. This was sent in to us from Donna Marquez. She took this over the weekend in Marigold, and that is an awesome shot of the moon. And that moon is in its waxing gibbous phase, and that is when the right side of the moon is more than 50% illuminated, but also less than 100%. So really cool shot, Donna. Thanks a lot for sending that on in to us. Here's our radar view from over the past 6 hours. Haven't really seen too much activity. We did see a few light showers earlier this morning. Definitely nothing heavy and nothing widespread though early this morning. And for our most recent radar scan, just picking up on a few light showers down here in part of Issaquah County and a little bit of Sharkey County and Yazoo County. Other than that, everybody is dry right now, and we should be keeping these dry conditions around with us for the next several days. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s this morning. It's 68 up in Batesville, 70 in Clarksdale. Greenwood just a little bit warmer at 73. Further south, closer to Interstate 20, we're seeing mid-70s. And then back over here west of the river, we're seeing those temperatures range from the low 70s, 72 in Pine Bluff, to 77 right now in El Dorado, Arkansas. Not really expecting much rain at all to move through the Delta today. We're going to keep these dry conditions around with us throughout the morning. Same story goes for the afternoon. We're going to be staying dry, not expecting any rain to move into the area. Over here in the northeastern part of the state and in parts of Alabama, they could see a few isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two, but not expecting any of that to work its way into our area. Going on into the overnight hours, we're going to be staying dry through the night. Tuesday morning off to another dry start. Still not expecting any of that rain to be moving in. And we're going to be staying dry for the rest of Tuesday afternoon and overnight. So really not much rain at all expected over the next several days. As far as your temperatures go today, we're going to be in the upper 80s by noon. We'll be at 90 by 2 o'clock, staying at 90 for 4 o'clock, and then moving on into the earlier part of the evening, dropping down just a little bit, upper 80s at 6, down to the low 80s at 8 o'clock, and we'll be in the upper 70s for 10 o'clock. Heat index values for today, not near as bad as what we were seeing last week. Late last week, we saw those in some areas reach close to 120. So for today, way lower than that. It's still going to feel a little bit muggy though. It's going to feel like 91 at noon. It'll feel like 94 at 2 o'clock, 95 at 4, and 92 by 6 o'clock. Later on tonight, temperatures will continue to drop a little bit lower, staying a little bit below average for this time of year. We're going to drop down into the upper 60s, 68 for the low, winds out of the north at 5 miles an hour, and we should be staying mostly clear tonight, not expecting much cloud cover at all moving in late tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, 90 for your high temperature, so not much difference from today. That is still just a little bit below average, and winds tomorrow will be out of the north at 5 to 10 miles an hour. 7-day forecast showing a little bit of a warming trend beginning on Wednesday. We'll be at 92 on Wednesday. Thursday high at 93, and Friday we should reach 94. Also going to bring in a 20% chance for some isolated showers, maybe some thunderstorms on Friday, and that'll stick with us through the weekend.